Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about the various activities for the emotional development of the child. We have done this series for different age group 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 years and above. So this particular video is for the parents of children 2 to 3 year old. So as we have mentioned for earlier age group also, identifying the different emotions of the child is very important. When you identify the different emotions, naming the different emotions is also equally important. So for this we have to know the different names of the emotions. So usually we know anger, sad, probably happy, joyful, probably many other know our vocabulary of different emotions. We have to know. So when it is a joyful scenario, it is very easy as such, because you can show these emotions through your praise, hugs, kisses, and clapping their hands, and probably with your facial expression. So naming this is which you can do it. When it is a negative emotion as such to mention, probably anger, sad, crying, irritated. So the child shows different type, different varied. If the child's language is not yet developed fully, probably the child might bite, kick, or throw the things in the hand, or it can be banging the head to the wall or to the floor. When the child is doing this kind of emotion, first is knowing why the child is doing that, that particular, why the child is showing that. If it is for the basic need the child is showing, probably because of the hunger, because of the lack of sleep, the child is sleepy, or some pain, body pain, stomach ache, or we have to find out the reason why the child is doing. And if it is not, and if the child is doing all this just to get the attention and just to show its power, so then we have to interfere in this by either timeout method or by saying firmly no to the child. This is very important. As we acknowledge the child, when the child is joyful, happy, other things, when the child is doing all this throwing this tantrum through this negative behavior, saying no to the child, addressing it with the non-physical punishment, probably timeout would be ideal, and child facing the consequence of it, there will be the child understands for the next time it is okay to feel something bad or getting angry or anything, but it is not okay to behave in that particular fashion of biting. Those behaviors are not accepted. So communicating this is very important at this age, and even for parents also. Parents are the role models, and when parents themselves are showing different varied emotions, when they are in anger or sad or irritated, so better we know our hot spots and able to address our emotions in a better way, so that we are being the better role model to our children when they are in all these negative emotions coming in. And apart from this, a lot of activities which will help in building the emotional development of the child is through hugs and kisses. I've already mentioned talking to the child, and listening is a very important part. 2 to 3 year old child wants to communicate a lot, but the language is not fully developed. So having a patience to listen to the child, giving that face-to-face, eye-to-eye interaction, listening, active listening is very important in this bonding to happen, and emotionally the child feeling acknowledged. Along with this, as I've mentioned, for 0 to 1 year, 1 to 2 year also, singing activity, dancing, art related and creative activity, doing household chores, which the children want to be like, feel like an adult. So the child wants to mop, sweep, fold the clothes, and a lot of kitchen help in the kitchen. So these things also build a self-esteem and confidence to the child. So allow the child to do such activities one thing is the child feels important and the child feels I can also do these activities. So this is very important. One more activity what you can do is narration of the story through various facial expression. In 2 to 3 year old, you can give a character to the child also to do the narration part in the story. Lot of values being given to the child through the stories. So this again helps in the knowing the emotions and what can be done. So these are some of the activities for 2 to 3 year old children to do to help in emotional development. This is very important because these are the early foundation years. So if emotionally if the child is able to handle what it is going through, it will be a very nice journey for the entire life of the child's growing up years. So do it with a lot of enthusiasm on emotional development.